Recognition facilitates mobility in the higher education landscape because achievements once obtained retain their validity in another context. When examining the content of recognition applications, the learning objectives of the degree program or module are compared with competencies already acquired. The decisive factor is not whether the contents are identical, but whether there is a significant difference that could jeopardize the success of further studies. 3 principles must be observed in the assessment. There is no limit to the extent of recognition, unless it is explicitly regulated by law. Acquired competencies do not expire and can also be recognized more than once. And the university bears the burden of proof, so in case of doubt, achievements must be recognized. The central test criterion is substantial difference. It refers to 5 criteria: the quality of the institution, the level of study, the profile of the study programs, the workload, and the learning outcomes. The quality of the institution is an entry test. If the issuing institution does not meet the standards of a German higher education institution, the application should be rejected. The KMK's ANABIN database helps with the assessment. The second decisive criterion is the learning outcomes. Here, the module descriptions of the performance to be recognized are compared with those from the student's own degree program. Not every detail has to match, but rather an overall view. Because within a module or degree program, not all competencies are typically equally relevant. 3 further criteria can help in the assessment: the level and profile of a degree program and the workload. However, these criteria, such as the number of ECTS points, can only be an indication of differences, but do not alone justify a significant difference. Important documents for the examination are the module handbooks and the examination regulations. Qualification frameworks and taxonomies are also helpful for classification. You can find out more about this topic in the film Competence Orientation. Learning agreements guarantee the recognition of achievements in the context of stays abroad in advance. All you have to do is submit the transcript of records and the learning agreement with the application for recognition. Recognition must not impair the quality of the degree program. Insignificant differences should, however, be accepted in order to facilitate mobility in studies. The decisive question is therefore whether the destination can be reached with the competencies already required.